Good morning. My name is Eirelyn and welcome to my channel. This is my final Christmas vlog of the year, which is kind of crazy because 3 weeks went by a little too fast. Like, Christmas is next Wednesday. There is 9 days until Christmas, if my little countdown to Christmas is correct. So today I am wrapping my boyfriend's Christmas presents. He is the last gifting presents that I have to wrap. Yeah, so I'm doing that, which is a process and a half because I number all the presents, so I kind of got to figure out how I want to number them. I already have 1 and 2 numbered, and that's wrapped downstairs. So, well, it's not really wrapped, but he knows not to watch this video, so I can kind of spoil things. So that's exciting. But other than that, I need to read because I did the math, and if I, for the next 6 days, maybe not 6 consecutive days, but 6 days in total, read 82 pages a day, I will finish this book by the time I need to film my reading wrap-up video for all of you. But wrapping presents now, and then later I gotta take my tattoo off. Just the second skin, which I will film that process because I never have before. And I think it would be fun. And it's gonna hurt. And you're gonna find out that I am allergic to second skin. Well, adhesive. I'm allergic to adhesive because I have to use like certain band-aids to not have my skin turn red. It hasn't affected my tattoos before, so not too worried. But present time, I might make a try. I'm gonna do that. Also, this sweater is the cutest sweater I have ever had. Look at it. Look at this. And it goes around. My mom got it at Target for me on the weekend. We don't have Target in Canada, so it's great. It's great. I love it. So, me and my mom went to Chapters and I got a book. This one, she said I could have it before Christmas because I'm getting so many for Christmas. So, it's The Bell Witches, which I heard one of the YouTubers I watch talk about in their reading journal video for November, I think. And I was like, I'm intrigued. And it was 20% off, which is awesome. But it's a very thick, stiff paperback. I don't know where I'm gonna put it on my shelf. It can slot right in there, because I'm gonna run out of space, but I need to put this into my reading journal in the TBR section, because I read my books in the order that I get my books. So, sometimes I make exceptions for that rule. If it's like a graphic novel or a manga, those are easier reads, and I'm maybe gonna try and start a thing in the new year where I read before bed to calm my mind down, and I might do that more with mangas because those are like easier reads and it's not as you have to focus. Especially because I'll know the mangas. Okay, nope, just open. So this is The Bell Witch. So all I'm gonna say is a row like this down is 31 books. So 31, 31 and 30 because the last one isn't filled in yet. I've read a lot of books this year. I heard there's a new Emily Wilde's fairy book coming out in the new year, so I know I'll have to put that on here because I just saw that and I know I'll want that one because I plan to do a whole video on those. Oh my lord. Okay, so now to read the vampire book because that's all I want to do for the rest of the day, other than take my tattoo off, but read. Oh, my glasses are hurting my ears. I don't know if any viewers have glasses, but you know when like, I don't know if it's the pressure of wearing my hair in a ponytail or I don't know what the issue is, but it hurts my ears. Tattoo time. I'm also having to send a video to my boyfriend to remind him. I'm washing my hands. That's important. Make sure your hands are washed. So I'll be sending a video to my boyfriend also explaining because he got a tattoo and I want to make sure that he knows how to properly do it. Okay, I sent the video to my boyfriend. So I need to start peeling this. Where's the corner? This is gonna get really red because I'm allergic. So, I don't even have the tattoo there. But, owie. And I know that everybody's tattoo healing process is different, but this is mine. Oh, I gotta take my sock off. It's off. Oh my gosh, you can't even see that. So I've just patted it wet. Ow, this is such a hard position. And now I take a dry cloth and just dry it. Ow. It is very sore. But it's not as red as the other ones. Let me just try an angle for you guys. Oh my gosh, you cannot see that at all. But it's not as red as other ones actually. I know it's gonna sting more once I put the cream on, because it usually does that. Just wanted to, okay, so you just want to make sure that if there's any fluffs, that those are off, like my cat hair. So I'm gonna put the cream on and then should be good. Okay.
Currently, although I'm thinking about moving the publishing time of that one as well. We'll see. I don't know. Watch this space. Which is why this content planner is set up in the way that it is, where the top row is all of my Tuesday videos.
Gotta wear the long socks to protect the tattoo. Good morning. It's Tuesday. Caw. I washed my hair. I hang out with my boyfriend today, as I do most Tuesdays. Don't have much else to say. I don't really know what we're doing today. We might watch a Christmas movie. Oh my god, I have the hiccups. We might watch a Christmas movie today. We also might try and do some baking. I'm potentially going to be starting on an exciting new endeavor that I have decided upon as of last night. But I don't want to say anything about it yet, because I don't know what I'm doing. What did I do to you? Bit my toe. Ow, Chester, you're so mean. Oh god. Go that way.
We're just doing
Drop peppermint.
because it's 10 times easier.
Why me again?
You're a superstar.
I'm not no superstar.
Pizza. Did you want to show your tattoo, Caden? Oh.
Oh.
Tattoo. Oh.
Of course. It's a magic train. We're going to the North Pole.
I know it's a magic train. Actually, it's a Baldwin 284 S3 class Berkshire type steam locomotive built in 1931.
We are making peppermint and potentially vanilla candies. This is just
These shoes. Sorry. It's actually pretty cool though.
That is
I can't
fun.
lie.
Should I do it in my big green one?
You could. Certainly could. Do you want me to get the...
No, it's okay. I could do red. No, it's pink. Never mind.
Look at that, Kristen.
You have to itch your ear. Is there something in your ear? Oh, hi.
Oh.
Chester.
It's not me called Hito.
Chester. Chester. Please. Chester. 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 Chester, please.
I have to move, honey, or he's not gonna turn around.
Hi. Hi. It's Wednesday. I'm tired today. Also, the candy we made yesterday, it's still not hardened. So, like, it's really sticky. And we've put it in the fridge. We might need to put it in the freezer, but it's not. Like, if we touch it, it's like, ooh, I'm on your finger now. So, hopefully by the end of the week, I can have a consensus of how good it is. So, it's 1 o'clock. And you're on the book, so I'm not gonna move you because you're at a good height. But I'm gonna read. I also want to work on my book a bit tonight. Where'd my voice go? And fingers crossed, I do. Because I've been saying that for a while now. So I need to do that. I need to work on it. It's the 4th book in my fantasy series. Which, yes, if you haven't read my books, the link is down below. I think it's great. And you can rate them or review them on Storygraph. That's what it's called. Yes. But I want to work on that tonight. I posted like the title reveal for the book and some editing stuff on my writer's Instagram, which you can follow if you want. So that's stuff. But I'm gonna read. I need to read 82 pages again to stay on track. I don't know why I keep like staring at you guys like that, but I don't know. I also want to potentially make a to-do list for like things to do before the end of the year, being like maybe clean my desk drawer. I forgot I had this. I should really throw out a lot of plastic that I just shove in here. Oh my lord. And now I'm gonna read.
Just here to do the job and leave.
What's Guy Wood look like?
Guy Wood is buff. Guy Wood is so buff, cheekbones you've never seen more chiseled in your life, and eyes you can get lost in.
A couple of folks see you riding past, and it's just like, oh,
Yeah.
I have
you
them?
are
Yeah,
here
come right
for
over
one.
down there.
Chester! What are you doing? Thank you. Thank you. Don't run my iPad. Chester, come here. Who are you? Hello. It's okay, bud. He's just another guy.
Yeah.
He's just another guy. Hi, it is Wednesday. No, it's Thursday. I don't know why I think it's Wednesday. But, I am applying for a job. Which is something else entirely. So let's open this. So yes, I'm applying for a job. I need to create an account to apply for such job. Hello? Oh, it's loading. But yeah. Oh, there we go. I don't know if it would work, if it'll happen, but hey, I'm trying. I don't know. I have social service worker background, and it's saying child and youth care is preferred. I have so many emails. Verification code. Jesus. So I applied. We will see what happens. It closes January 5th, so probably won't hear back for a while. You never know. Maybe I'll hear back tomorrow. That'd be a little much. That'd be a little much. I don't know if I'd be prepared to do like an interview right before Christmas. But anyway, reading time. Let's try and read 82 pages before I have to hang out with my boyfriend. We're retrying to make the candy today because we realized we did it wrong. I also read like a little bit more last night, so I'm starting exactly at 399 pages, which is great because I kind of will then know where I am, and things are kind of picking up in the book, so I'm very excited. We're trying to make the candy
Again. We messed up the first time. Apparently,
We need
instructions are helpful. But we're doing it again.
And if you want to stop, you hit the...
If I wanted to stop, but we're getting into the good stuff here. This is the part of
10
candy.
minutes of me
This is
writing
the part
yesterday.
That's the part of candy making that Big Candy doesn't want you to see. You gotta get this all on film.
No. Those are so...
Wow.
I thought it would be neat. Like they look like fake crystals.
Yeah. And then these ones are mine. Fingers crossed. Candy update. It's almost hard. Like this was the first one I did back here, and if it's still kind of squishy. But like, it works. These are cadence. I might feel like, oh my god. Yum. Oh, it's very sticky. Well, very yummy. But yeah, this was like here. So it moved a little bit. It's Friday. And guess what I'm doing? Reading. I'm pretty sure I'm 60% through, which checks out. Got this much left. I'm just gonna read today. Doesn't matter if it's 82 pages. Doesn't matter if it's, well, I want it to be more, if anything, not less. I didn't read the correct amount yesterday. I think I only read 31 or 30. reading. And if anything that this week has taught me, I don't think I'm gonna be a candy maker in the future. We might have to try again. It's almost solidified, but not like fully. So, yeah. I don't really know much else that I'm going to be doing today. I will vlog whenever I do, because this is the last day of the vlogs. All the vlogs are done. It's so sad. I keep thinking it's Saturday, but I know it's Friday. Don't know why. I need to charge you guys too, so let me get the cord out so I can do that while I'm reading. But yeah, this book, things are picking up. Things are picking up. And I am just scared of how this is going to end. What are you doing? Hmm? Hmm? Gosh, buddy. I just read like the best part, because I didn't really ever know what this image meant. So now I do, and it just revealed like the biggest thing ever. So I'm almost on to book 5, crumbling now to ash. That stresses me out a bit, because Gabriel calls Ash Drinker Ash. If we lose Ash, I'm gonna be pissed. I mean, like, it's kind of hard to lose a sword, but like, if this sword somehow dies, I'm gonna be mad.